Well, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Thank you all very much for following me, and thank you very much for the sub. Always appreciated. I will put that towards something useful, like vodka. So, I guess all of you guys haven't got any plans tonight, so I thought I'd keep you entertained. Today we're going to go and look through the handbook and see every package that we ask people to install. Let's say DHCP. And then if we suggest a use flag that people can set, then we're going to add a binary package or binary package support for that option. So basically anything that's in the handbook should be provided by Gentoo as a binary package. Makes sense. There's also some networking stuff that we need to fix. And we're probably going to find that as we go. So what I'm going to do is load up a web browser now. Oh, hi Lucy, didn't see you there as well. If we go to handbook, okay. If we go to the networking page, we can see that we are recommending a load of old shite. Let me show you one. Well, actually, look, there's nothing there really for Wi-Fi, is there? We've got the old net setup tool, but we don't really use that anymore. We've got Network Manager now inside. So let's go and edit. I suppose for people that are new to stream, Gentoo have given me edit perm for the handbook recently. Apparently, I've done enough good work. They trust me. Stupid handbook. So this page here is where we can edit, and if I scroll all the way back over here, somewhere in my millions of tabs, there it is. Is it that one? I put a draft into Reese's handbook that shows how to use Network Manager. So we're going to add this actually in today. How exciting, eh? Ooh. So what I'm going to do is, because it's already written and I know it's all good, I'm just going to copy it over the top. The interesting stuff we care about is going to happen a bit later on. So I don't know why I didn't press Control A, but I've committed, so I'm just going with it. This is what I intended to do. So just copy that. We go over to Hey, look who's turned up. Thank you very much for the follow. Oh, it's Damien. Oh, I thought it was going to be a hot, sexy young female. Damn. Well, I thought I'd have the day off if seeing as it was Valentine's Day. I thought your wife would have took you away. Yeah, filthy. Network manager support. Basically, this is for the when you're actually in the live when you're in the install CD itself. I've done it again. Why am I pressing? Why don't I just do the shortcut? Is that with the neighbours? Unless you can impress me with something cool. When I'm editing the handbook. Anyway, let's all pretend this stream's going to be boring so Damien pisses off. We only want class users in this stream, like the rest of you. Not him. He's a bit of a retrobate. I can't even keep the last for myself. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I find that so funny, but I do. Let's go check what Reese has done, huh? Okay. So what I'll do is I'm going to add this into the handbook. Add NTMU. Add NMTU install CD support. User Imelo. Okay, so let's just make sure that goes across. Let's see if we start about Gentoo. Well, I'm doing an awesome breakdance right now, mate. Okay, I think that's going to merge over quite nicely. I did this work a couple of years ago. Someone was going to change it because they weren't happy and then never did anything. So, yes, do it. Right, let's. Well, you know it's fucking old when it's. I did this edit before we even did the optional tags in the handbook. Fuck me, this must be ages ago. Who let the dogs out? Don't make me laugh, you prick. You fucking cunt. You know you got me swearing. Okay. So the fastest way is using Network Manager, which we know. Just use NTMU. Perfect. Net setup for older card and then manual. And the rest I can't do yet. Okay, so that's the first part of the handbook done. Let's switch back over here. So if we now go to here, I'll go to networking. You can now see that Network Manager is in the official handbook. I mean, how cool is that? Like, you know what I mean? Imagine letting some twat like me edit your handbook. God help you all. I suppose I should. Oh, I'll do it at the end. Someone needs to remind me at the end we need to update the change log for the handbook. So someone sensible, please, and is not called Damian. That'd be perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do next then is we're going to go and look at binary package support, as I said. So let's say you've got something like systemd utils and you want to use systemd boot. Currently, the binary packages will pull down systemd utils, but if you want the bootloader, it will make you compile it yourself. Now that's wrong. We shouldn't be doing that. We should actually have a binary package for both versions. Does that make sense? So we're going to go and make two VMs now. One for installing with QEMU. One for installing with OpenRC, and one for installing with systemd. We're then going to double check all these work. We're going to double check all the packages if they got a use flag change and see if the binary package can actually handle that. Does that make sense? I think as we go through, it'll be a bit clearer. What would be better is if I could remember my shortcuts. So let's do Control T, CD QEMU. Let us do. I really need to clean these up. Let's do. Systemd. There we go. Systemd. Let's go Control E. Let's do CD-ROM. Download. Install. I'm going to give it a name. We'll just call it systemd. So it should be systemd. I couldn't do it because I was laughing too much. I might choke on dog dick again. Oh wait, that was you, wasn't it? Or was that your neighbour? I can't remember. Wait, let's do a new terminal. And what do we want on this one? We could just use... I'll just use the installer. Really need to clean these up later on. Not today though. Maybe I'll just wipe them all and start again later. So let's do... because the YAC key becomes a what's the word I'm looking for? YAC key becomes double quotes, and the double quote key becomes the YAC key, and I do not want to deal with that all day because you lot take the piss out of me and make me feel stupid. Hi Benji. Oh, also hi Takion. I forgot to say hello to you earlier. My apologies. Uh-huh. Okay, So why is that not working with things? That's weird. Weird? Is that because I'm using an older version, maybe? Must be. Okay, I don't think that matters. Oh yeah, you know what it's like, mate. I've got, this keyboard's like made for super cool people. Oh, I know why it didn't work. Your fault, Damien. Your fault. Totally not my fault for doing this. There we go. That's why the thing weren't working. I was booting booting a direct image, like the cat I am. Yeah. 6 minutes. What you got? One of those performing enhancing pills tonight. The wife's a lucky girl. Someone start a timer. Let's see how long it takes them. Well, cool for the Nvidia, banned for the Broadcom. Okay, so let's quickly make these disks up to the install part. So CF disk. Oh, I can just rewrite that one. That's excellent. So if I do makefs xfs force/dev sda1. And then mount dev sda1. Okay, and then here I want to. What do I want to do here? I want to download the OpenRC stage, and so links, this file. Oh my god, I haven't got used to this new keyboard yet. I can tell you that much. Alright, so we go to releases. AMD 64. We just want a normal stage for now. So, what are we on? This one. Oh, bugger. Well, that's downloading. Let's get the other stage running while that goes. Come on. Where's that? Fuck off. That and there. And then let's check this one out. So if I do CF disk /dev SDA. Right, okay, we can see that's fine. So let's quit this. Makefs. How long do you reckon till I get things? Bloody hell, mate. That's a new record for you, isn't it? We all know you're still there, mate. At this point, I don't think your wife even exists. I think it's just your cleaner and you take pictures of her now and again. Such an arsehole sometimes. I don't know why I laugh at my own jokes. I think that's the worst part. Why do I laugh at my own jokes? Do I want a picture of you? No, I don't want to see a picture of next door's dog. If your wife's listening, do apologise to her. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, fuck. Oh, fucking hell. I think I've just ruined your Valentine's Day. Oh, shit. Sorry, I need to just pause a second. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. God, I'm so sorry for that joke. Woo. Thank you very much, Taki on Rome. Appreciate the sub. I didn't even know you've been the sub for 6 months. Bloody hell, mate. You'll be enjoying those little Power Ranger icons soon. Oh, Willow. What a nice name. Okay, so we are now up. We've got our OpenRC and our systemd installed. Downloaded. Let us click on that. Quick. Tar XP stage. Here we go. I'll do the same on this one. Why is this one not going? Oh, fuck it. What the fuck's... Yeah, you bastard. Come on. There we go. Have a little race. Nothing better than watching the commercials where interrupting on the play. I hate those ads so much. I don't know why they put them on now, but I don't even get any money for it. That's the worst part. I wouldn't mind, making you all watch them. I got paid for it. I do believe ad blockers stop it though. Oh, Willow. Not just one Gentoo, 2 Gentoos. So what we're doing today is we're just confirming the handbook works and all the... So when you follow the handbook, you see the packages. We're use systemd. So when you build systemd, there's a binary package for systemd. What Gentoo doesn't support though is if you enable the systemd boot program on top. So we don't have a binary for that. So we're going to go through every single package today, see if there's a use flag that we tell users about in the handbook. Sorry, and if they do, we are going to go and add that to the binary package. Oh yeah, I'm not a new Gentoo user by any means. So. Yeah, me too. But Gentoo's all about choice in it, so just because I don't use different bootloader, it doesn't mean other people don't. So part of my job in Gentoo is to make sure that people get the support they need. Even if it is a stupid choice like not using Grub. You would have liked the stream we did the other day though. I added some extra features to the grub menu in on the live CD. So now when you load it up, you can just get accessibility to work straight away. I don't know if I've got the commit open somewhere. Let's have a look. So if we go, where can we go? Yeah, so if you see on here, I've added a third option now to the grub on this, and you can just start accessibility features straight away with no drama at all, which is a cool little feature, I think. And about top Gentoo did. A little disappointed, to be honest. Oh, a little disappointed is the understatement. But why complain when you can just fix it? That's my my motto. Right, it doesn't like doing two systems at once, does it? My drive. Ooh. I think my my hard drive must be full up because it is crawling. What that probably means is I want to start deleting some of these. So if I do. I probably want to remove all of these later on. How much space have I got? 113 gig. That's not too bad. So why is it? I suppose it's 83%. You should keep Linux to about 70, shouldn't you? It was a bit full. Yeah, I suppose that explains why it's slowing a bit. I'll fix that later on, I guess. Oh, there we go. Right, so if I do arch charroot dot and then can't remember how you enable bin packages. I think I can just do G22. There we go. Oh, it's not going to work, is it? Because I need to see something like that. Copy over. Right, I'll do the same on this one. So that'll be. This is going to get confusing later on, isn't it? Yeah, let's update that. Ooh.
Is now following.
Thank you very much for the follow. While that goes, let's go and check what we're going to hit as our first package. So if I go. If I go here, unprepare the disk, go stage file. Nothing there to worry about, no packages. Base system. Right, I guess we need to Alright, I guess bootloaders are going to be the first one, aren't they? Okay, so so we've done that. Profile, we're checking a bit. That should work. I think that section should go in a bit. That's just a load of shit, that, isn't it? Load of shit. Right, let's go configure the kernel. Okay, so first thing we need to check is that, well, actually that firmware package doesn't matter, does it? Doesn't compile anything. Okay, so we need to do system D, make sure boot works, and this one works. Okay, we can do that. So if I do Gentoo, I get the packages running. And same here. This just does the sign in for the binary packages if we need it later on. Okay, so if I do emerge VP and then big G system the utils. And let's do the same on this one. Emerge system D. Give that a second, see what happens. Well, my system is not happy today, is it? What's going on with it? Is that because I half-assed the install process? I bet it is. Oh no, here we go. It's being slow. Just haven't got a fast system today. So we can see but that works. It's going to use a binary. As you can see right there, it says binary. Now if I do use equals boot and kernel install. Do it again. Now, it should show me a binary again. But if it doesn't, I need to... If it doesn't, I need to add that to the whatever it's called, to the bit binary host builder, which we'll do in a second if needed. Woo! The fuck? Do I need to update first? What the fuck is going on there? Oh. Right, let's do emerge vpag vpag udu at world. Well, I wasn't expecting to see that this morning. Or afternoon. Just give that a second to run through. Okay, that should fix half of that. Well, maybe I need to change that to a little G. See if that works. Okay, so we can see that when you don't have the binary on, it hasn't got a binary for those two. Can you see that there? So we're going to go and see if we can figure this out. So, never done this before. Sounds interesting. Check out master. Git pull upstream. Git reset cards. That should take me back. Now I should get pull. Just wanna fucking pull. Right, merge Milo. Why? Maybe I'll just do... Let me cheat. Because I can't remember how to do it. It's kind of bad when I'm the one that wrote the documentation for this and I can't fucking remember how to do it. Okay, so if I go cd bin host and then git checkout b okay. So I should just be able to go nano builders Milo server 23. I can't remember what the other one is. Shit. Right, let's pick one that we can remember. So plasma, KDE, voltage, variance. Okay. Okay, so then let's check debug. So I should do server 20. No. Milo. Oh, options there. Can't even speak. Which search engine's that? Variance, and then we're gonna make Boot. I guess I need to make that for that. Let's see how we do this again. Oh, it's just that. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Oh, bollocks. I think fuck Darmin's not here. He'd be taking the piss out of me running. Oh, I usually use Google, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll do Google Wiki and then whatever I need. Oh, sorry, Gentoo Wiki, and then whatever I need. One of these days, I'm gonna remember how to do this. Variants, boot. Oh, you cunt. Here we go. Right. Woo. Sysapps. System D utils. There we go. It's more, I don't think efficient's the word. I think it's more, I do it so often that I've just learned how to work around the problems. Probably not the way you should be doing it. One day the wiki will get updated and it'll all work again. Okay, so that is OpenRC support added for the, well, that's the configuration side of it added. If I go now to har, I'm going to the bin host project. Where's the variant stuff? Well, so it just runs it automatically. I don't need to do anything. Is that right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, no, we cannot improve the wiki with AI help. The amount of stuff I have to remove because it's so shite is unbelievable. Please don't add some more work. I've got enough to do. terrible for translations. It's terrible for what it writes. It's just terrible. I waste more time fixing AI shit than I do actually doing real work nowadays. Now, I'll give you an example. So, yesterday I was trying to learn about grub theming. I had an issue with an option not working, but I wasn't sure, and I thought, well, rather than waste my time, I'm just going to ask AI if it thinks this is the option. It tells me no. 3 hours later, I find out that the AI was wrong. I was right in the original first place, and I've just wasted 3 hours learning something about a grub I did not need to learn about. It is terrible. It's basically like going to Reddit for help. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. Okay. So that is that added. Let's go. Hmm. A t-shirt. What can I make AI good for? It's really good at reading man pages. You know, when you get like things like GCC and you've got like 1,000 options to read through and you haven't got a clue, you can ask it to give you 5 options that do something you need, and then it narrows it down. So rather than trying to spend an hour reading, sorry, I've just got Tommy, and sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. Oh dear, is a t-shirt on. I should probably just have a picture of Sephiroth underneath it. I don't. Yeah, so, fuck's sake. I'll be thinking about dogs again in a minute. Right. Yeah. So it's really good for going through like big documentations and stuff like that. But you don't want it to just give you the answer. You just want to give it 5 that it thinks could be the answer, you know? And then you go and check them. That's what it's useful for. Saves you skim reading. And yeah, don't worry about prompting. If you've got a question, ask. Brilliant. The stream for everyone to join and learn, isn't it? You know what I mean? Okay. You're not doing an A on that? That one time. I mean, we've got a clear auto resume, haven't you? You know what I mean? Oh, also, guess what? I broke my clothes horse today. I put too much weight on it, and the legs have snapped off. Fucking devastated. I guess I'm buying a new clothes horse. How's everyone else's day today going? Oh, not RF, just art. Outrageous. Yeah, I know. It cost probably 20 quid, that bloody thing did. You wait till Rowan hears about this. Well, and Alan. Okay, so that should be all the binary stuff done for System D. Excellente. What's next? So how long has it taken us to get here? Oh, so it's only taken us an hour to get our first commit done. I better make sure I finish quick then before someone gets his points. At 6,000 channel points, you can set the wallpaper on the computer. So currently it is the Gentoo logo. If you want to make it something else, just keep watching and you can change that to be whatever you like. Obviously no porn or anything like that. It's most people pick something like an Arch Linux logo from you have to do. I've had Manjaro, Apple, usually something stupid I've said. I like the other one you toyed with the other day. Both the ultimate insult and just classic. No, I don't think my wallpaper does. I've never tried. Where's the handbook? Oh. I suppose I should check to see if EFI stubs there. So let's get bash completion working. Those of you who don't know, bash completion basically lets you type a command or half a command in, then press tab and it'll automatically finish it for you. Absolute lifesaver for some programs. Especially doing stuff that I do. So we'll quickly install that. We'll load into the new bash and we'll see if there's an EFI. So what's that? Windows is so damn dumb. Day 1, exclusive recovery doesn't work. Day 2 worked, but install didn't install apps. Decided to it can for 2 hours now. Just the EFI logo. You know what though? I'm seeing 2 issues with one common denominator. Just saying. probably should make sure this is a binary, to be fair, shouldn't I? Yeah, they are a bit of a cartel. They do force up hardware refreshes to help hardware manufacturers. They've done it a few times now. Let's just make sure that is a binary. It took a bit longer than I thought it was going to take. Don't make me dream for a day that happens. Excellent. So there is a binary for that. Right, what was I checking? EFI stub, wasn't I? Because what I could do... Can't use bin packages, that's cheating. I'm not technically using bin packages. What I'm actually doing is adding support for users that want to cheat. Right, let's see if VP jar cut is that. You know I love that package. My favourite package in Gentoo. I still love the day though that I helped someone unpick a system issue for about 3 hours. Like they literally trashed their system, and then they started insulting people that use, after I fixed it obviously, they started insulting people that use the Gentoo kernel, saying they're all noobs. I let them finish for a couple of minutes, and then I just showed my uname that showed that I used it. One of my favourite days that was. Right, let's double check this is gonna work. What's going on? What's going on? There we go. Okay, so dry cuts are binary. Excellente. Maybe I should try this then. So if I do... I'm only looking for use flags. Oh. Okay, so we found something. Sysboot, UFE, UFE, UFI. So let's add those. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. What have I done? Oh, thank fuck for that. What am I looking for? This boot. Mm-hmm. Shift boot. Ooh. Okay. There's only one in it. Is C make? Is C make a I forget what the word is I'm looking for. Is C make a slotted program nowadays? I don't know. Okay, so we're going to need a secure boot on this. So to do that, I require secure boot and well, that's nice. It's like you're dying, isn't it? Secure boot. For fuck's sake. Secure boot. Tintin. Tintin. Known variants. There we go. So that's all the secure boot added. Oh, what's next? I suppose mod probe DB needs to go on there. Okay. Ooh, there's an ambulance outside my house. Am I dead again? Okay. Hey Tommy, how you doing, mate? How'd the job go? Did you get that interview pass? Were they stupid enough to hire you? Oh, you know I don't open my DMs very often. I'm a busy man, aren't I? And finally not being homeless and all that stuff. Hey, Tommy, do you know what about it is, right? Decided to paint my house. My room. One room, yeah? Guess how much the paint cost me for one room? And congratulations on the job. And commiserations to your new boss. Well, no, not 400. Don't live in America, do I? £70 though for 2 tins of paint. 10 litres. Fucking devastated I was. Cried. Ridiculous though, isn't it? Okay. And the company's still trading? figures, you say? Well, now's the time to start plugging my donation feed. Feel free to type exclamation mark donate, and I will take 5 figures any day of the week from you. And I'll even call you my Valentine's today. You prick. I didn't like my wife either, so I'm not going to like you. Okay. Glad for you, mate. I mean, obviously, I still don't like you or anything, and don't think you should have got it. Should have gone to someone more deserving, but oh, let's remove this. Move. Are you sure they're not doing the old, kittens at the bridge trick? Yeah, I've got my new place. I got my flat. Doesn't mean I'm rich or anything, though, does it? I got my own place now. Thank God I live in a country that looks after their sick and. But yeah, I've been here since late October last year. Super happy with it. Yeah, it got depressed. As soon as it found out Darmian was coming with us, it, well, unalived itself. No, I eat proper food. Well, I will do when Darmian starts making some more t-shirts. Make more merch, bitch. Okay. So, we have completely done. We have added the packages, and we've cleaned up some of the handbook steps that are no longer needed. So I think we're done. I think that's it. So I think gonna call it here today. I think maybe if we come back tomorrow or later in the week, probably later in the week, I'm going for one stream a week again. I've done pretty well. I've done, one a week for 2 weeks now. Good for me. It's almost like I've got a schedule. So sorry, Tommy. But yeah, next week we'll probably look at the handbook, see if we can fix the system D install. I don't really want to do it today. My system's acting too slow, and I'd like to fix that. So, yeah, I think today we'll call it there. Thank you all very much for coming along. I need to go and sort my my commit stuff out and send that over to be reviewed. Unfortunately, I can't share that with you because we don't share development talk. But yeah, no, thank you very much. I will catch you on the next one. And thanks again, Tachyon and Prince, for the subs today. Appreciate you all. But yeah, I'll see you next time.